Cooking is really so much fun, and this is an excellent cookbook. It's called Cooking: A Commonsense Guide. And one of the things I really like about this one is not only is it a great book filled with recipes, but it's also like part handbook. It has fantastically detailed pages, and the whole beginning section really gives info on so many types of ingredients. There's like a guide to meat and vegetables and fish and herbs even, and they also even have like the measurement conversion charts and like a lot of really good reference material for buying ingredients, storing different ingredients, even different knives and pots and pans. And so it really starts off with a really interesting and nice note. Otherwise, the recipes, there's a wide variety. There's everything from desserts to main dishes. I really like the passion fruit orange sorbet. And there's also soups from scratch and fancy fish dishes. Really, a lot of it is from scratch, and I really love that. The recipes are laid out so nicely, and it's very breezy to follow. And there's also really stunning pictures for every recipe. I love looking at these. They're so vibrant and fun, and I feel like it's a really well laid out book. It also has a nice spiral binding, which is really nice to flip through, and it opens really nicely. And overall, this book is an instant classic.